Class, you know we learned about matter and states of matter, right?
Yeah.
We have many matters, some of them solid, some of them liquid, and some of them gas, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Today we have a new matter. Meet my friend. Its name is oobleck. When you look at this, oobleck is a kind of matter that we cannot say it is solid or liquid or gas only. Because when you look at this matter, it looks like liquid. But when you touch it, it changes. It's not only liquid. When you act kindly, it flows like a liquid. But when you act fast with it, it will turn to solid. For example, when I put my fingers in it, look, it's just a liquid. But when I act hardly, it turns to like a rock. But then it flows again. It turns to liquid again.